So right here I got instrument cluster bulb lights for a 2006 Ford 500 because the speedometer and tachometer ones don't light up at all, and I know there's a couple of them that will work if you wiggle them, so there's probably also a bad connection, but I decided to order all brand new ones just so they last a long time and hopefully they're a little bright. But I decided to get the Sylvania ones. I already took them out of the bubble wrap and opened this just to check them out, but I'm not going to make a full video of how to do this. I will tell you guys what you need to do to take it apart, but I'm not actually going to show me doing it. But there is other videos of other people doing it on YouTube if you need to see an actual step-by-step tutorial. And the instrument cluster light bulbs in the 06 Ford 500 is number 74. Just so be aware of that. 74 cluster bulb or mini bulb or whatever. I'll show you guys what they look like. That's what they look like. I got 10 of them, and there's 10 bulbs in there. Is how I figured out they were size number 74. I looked up other YouTube videos of like F250s because they, like the 05 through 07 F250s, take the same exact bulbs, 74. And I seen a guy got LEDs. The LEDs were T5s, but he said the factory ones are 74. So I took one of the old bulbs and sockets out of the blue trucks and compared it to these bulbs, and they're the same. So this car also takes 74. So I don't want to make this video too long and bore you guys. I'm just going to make it quick and show you guys the before and after. Just so you guys know, this 10-pack of Sylvania light bulbs, I ordered these from Amazon, and these were $10.05 for all 10. So not horrible, but if you guys have to get these kind of little bulbs, I'd recommend the Sylvanias because they're one of the best lights out there, or probably are the best lights out there. They last the longest, and they're actually pretty bright lights too. So yeah, I would recommend this all the way. But I haven't put them in the car yet, but I know this is a good brand. And if you guys are wondering, this 2001 Lincoln Town Car takes the same exact light bulbs as well, so just in case you guys are curious about that. I'll just tell you guys what you got to take off so I don't make this video forever. I get a better focus in it here. There are 2 Phillips screws in here. Of course, I decided to do this when it's not dark yet, but I'll show you guys. See, only the 2 gauges up top are working. Okay, get to business. After those 2 screws are out, this comes out, but I forgot to tell you, you gotta pop this piece off before this will come out. So I'm gonna do that. And this cluster's really easy to do. I did it one other time to see what bulbs they were. All you gotta do is put the screwdriver through here and twist and pry. Just like that, and it'll come right off. And after you get this out of the way, there's these 3 rubber pieces. You see I already broke one, so be very careful with them. After you get this piece out, there's a connector there, and there's a little tube here. Very easy to get out. You just gotta press the tabs in and they'll come out. I didn't realize this whole thing came out with it, so you don't need to take this off, just this piece. That makes it a lot easier. Then you got 4 7mm bolts for the cluster, and then you got a connector up here. It comes right out without any issues. Well, here it is. There's also a clip that goes right there. That one right there. Here's the back of it. These are a little bit bigger than the ones that came out of it, but they do work, and they fit in there a little tighter, so be careful. Don't press too hard, or else you'll break it. Well, there they all are. Yeah, these were a little bit too big, so I bet they're the 73s, but they still work. The one come on this side of the tachometer, I had to fiddle with it because I think the socket's a little messed up, but if I pushed the light in all the way, it'd be too tight and wouldn't work, so I just pushed it in until it clicked a little bit, and it popped it on. So these might be a little bit brighter since they look a little bit brighter since they're bigger, but yeah, there it is. Let's put everything back together. Well, I just freaking broke another one of these things. Gotta be very careful. So now it's only got 2 holding it on, so. But it's all put back together now. So, I want to get out of here, and I got another fob for this. I'm going to have to take the battery out of this one, but this one's all broken, but I got a blue fob for it, so. I'm not going to video program it, but I'm going to program it, and this thing will be good to go. Okay, it is 9:47 right now. It's almost dark out all the way. It's a little bit lighter than what this phone's showing, but let's see how the lights look. And I could already tell they were a good bit brighter. And I think them being a little bit bigger, they're a little brighter too. So those 74s work perfect. You just got to be careful not to break them. Oh yeah, they're good. I mean, no, they're not LEDs, but they're actually good.
Eat every single day. I'll tell you what,
shoot.
I feel.
They're about just as bright as the blue trucks. Turn signals are nice and bright. Definitely doable, that's for sure. Good deal. The clock looks nice. It's working great.